FabFitFun just revealed all the products for customization food, and there are some amazing beauty, skincare, home, and lifestyle picks this season. Let's go through everything together. Hey, beautiful people, I'm Rachel. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're excited about the FabFitFun Fall 2026 spoilers, you're in the right place. Starting with customization 4, there are 11 options, including a luxe choice. The first option is the Salt and Stone deodorant in saffron and cedar, which is valued at $20. This award winning aluminum free deodorant provides up to 48-hour protection, and it also contains prebiotics to help neutralize odor, while seaweed extracts help keep the skin moisturized. If you've been looking for a cleaner deodorant option, this might be one to consider. The product details for this one are: this product is vegan, cruelty free, and made without alcohol, parabens, or phthalates. The scent notes for this one are: the top notes are saffron and neroli, the heart notes are jasmine, oak moss, and surf wax, and the base notes are sugarcane and cedar wood. The size of this deodorant is 2.60 ounce, and how to use this one is: apply to clean dry skin, for external use only, and avoid contact with eyes. Do not apply to broken skin. The above ingredients are present in this product. This is a BIPOC founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next one is the Salt and Stone deodorant in bergamot and hinoki, also valued at $20, and this is available in customization 4. Just like the saffron and cedar version, this award-winning aluminum-free deodorant provides up to 48-hour protection, while prebiotics help fight odor and seaweed extracts help keep your skin feeling moisturized. The biggest difference here is really the scent. So if these deodorants end up being a customization choice, it'll probably come down to which fragrance you think you'll enjoy more. The product details for this one are: this deodorant is vegan, cruelty free, and made without alcohol, parabens, or phthalates. And the scent notes for this one are: the top notes are Italian bergamot and grapefruit, the heart notes are hinoki and vetiver, and the base notes are eucalyptus, amber, and orange blossom. The size of this deodorant is 2.60 ounce, and how to use this one is: apply to clean dry skin, for external use only, and avoid contact with eyes. Do not apply to broken skin. The above ingredients are present in this product. This is a BIPOC founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. Next is the Matte Skincare Hyper Sheer SPF 50 Daily Moisturizer, which is valued at $52. This sounds like a really nice option if you're looking for a lightweight sunscreen that also hydrates your skin. It offers SPF 50 protection while helping reduce environmental stress on the skin. And I like that it has a matte finish, since many people don't enjoy heavy or greasy sunscreens. The product details for this one are: this sunscreen is paraben free and is formulated with a thoughtful blend of mineral sunscreens plus antioxidant complexes. The size of the sunscreen is 1.70 ounce. The above ingredients are present in this product. Unfortunately, this has shipping restrictions, and it can be shipped only to US customers. The next one is the Bush Balm Hydrating Shave Jelly in Vanilla Tangerine, which is valued at $24. If you shave regularly, this could be a practical pick, since it hydrates while giving a close, comfortable shave. I also think the vanilla tangerine scent sounds really refreshing. The product details for this one are: the size of this bottle is 6.76 ounce, and how to use this one is: lather onto wet skin, shave, and rinse clean. The above ingredients are present in this product, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next option is the Whisper Forbidden Fig Room Spray, which is valued at $28. This room spray is a quick and easy way to freshen up your home with a luxurious fragrance. It's perfect for giving your living room, bedroom, or even your office a little refresh whenever you want your space to smell amazing. And also, the next option is the Whisper Baltic Amber Room Spray, which is valued at $28. If you enjoy warm, rich, and cozy scents, this could be a great option. It's another elegant home fragrance that's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere, especially during the fall season. The product details for this one are: the size of this bottle is 3.40 ounce, and the care instructions for this one are: keep away from heat, sparks, open flames, and hot surfaces. How to use this one is: spritz 3 to 5 times to enliven any room. The above ingredients are present in this product, and it's a female founded company. And unfortunately, this has shipping restrictions and it can be shipped only to US and Canada customers only. The next one is the Mikasa two-piece carving set, stainless steel, which is of $40 value. This is a really practical option, especially if you enjoy hosting family dinners or holiday meals. The fully forged stainless steel construction is designed for strength, durability, and long-lasting sharpness. The carving knife is made to slice through meats with precision, while the carving fork helps keep everything steady. I also like the sleek, polished finish and the ergonomic handles, which make it look modern while still being comfortable to use. It may not be the most exciting spoiler, but it's definitely one of those kitchen essentials that many people will get plenty of use of. The product details for this one are: the size of this carving set is 11.2 by 0.5 by 6.3 inches, and the care instructions for this one are: they're dishwasher safe. Unfortunately, there are shipping restrictions for this one, and it can be shipped only to US and Canada customers only. The next one is stack resistant band, which is of 3 pack, and it is valued at $34. These fabric resistant bands come in multiple resistant levels and are designed for lower body, core, and full body workouts. They're non-slip, durable, and great for strength training, Pilates, stretching, mobility work, or even post-workout recovery. If you enjoy working out at home, this could be a really useful choice. The product details for this one are: the size of these bands is 2 inches by 3 inches by 9 inches. The materials used to make this one are polyester and latex. And this is a female founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. Next one is a luxe choice, which is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Barrier Boosting Serum, which is valued at $74, and this comes with an additional price of $19. This lightweight serum is designed to strengthen your skin's moisture barrier while helping reduce the visible signs of aging. If barrier repair and anti-aging skincare are more important to you, this could definitely be one of the more luxurious upgrades in this customization. The product details for this one are: the size of this bottle is 1.70 ounce. The above ingredients are present in this product. Again, it's a female founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. Next is the NYX Leak Proof Ultra Thin No Show Bikini in black, and this comes in sizes of extra small to 4XL, which is valued at $27. Product details for this one are: you can see the above size chart for this bikini, and the care instructions for this one are: machine washable just like regular underwear, and it is made of the above materials. It's a female founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The last one in this customization is a digital offer. It is the Unplug Meditation, a 6 months app subscription, which is valued at $59.99. This app gives you 6 months of access to guided meditation, mindfulness sessions, breathwork, yoga, sound baths, hypnosis, foam rolling, and much more. FabFitFun provided the above details for this one, and how to use this one is: download the Unplug, a meditation app, on your mobile phone and play the guided meditation videos. And how to redeem this one is by following the above steps. Again, it's a female founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. Out of all these options, I think my favorites are definitely the Salt and Stone deodorants and the Mikasa two-piece carving set. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my daily FabFitFun Fall 2026 spoiler updates. Peace and blessings, my friends.